Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make DIY like cookie jars, the mixes. They go for like $11, $12 at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and I want to show you how you can make them from home. Super easy, just add a little tag with the instructions, and you have a wonderful DIY gift. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I actually made a bunch and brought them to my job and gave them out to my coworkers. Yes, buddy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Want to say bye? No? Okay. Bye.